This video is on the admission requirements for international applicants applying through the Ontario University's Application Centre website. The information in this video will apply to you if you are not a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, you are not currently attending a Canadian high school day program, whether that's in Canada or abroad, but will apply to you if you are currently studying or have studied outside of Canada. Generally speaking, consideration for admission to our undergraduate programs currently requires that you have graduated or are in the process of graduating from senior secondary school. You must also have the appropriate academic subject prerequisites. These are usually specific high school senior level courses that are completed in your final year. Proof of English proficiency is also required for all applicants. There are a number of ways that you can satisfy this requirement, including enrolling in an English for Academic Purposes program. We have a number of approved partners available on our website, and we also have our own English Language Center on campus. If you have studied in a school where the language of instruction is English for at least 3 years full-time, this would also meet our requirement. You could also do an English language assessment, such as IELTS or TOEFL. For a full list of the tests that we accept and the minimum scores required, please visit our website. As was previously mentioned, each program has specific subject prerequisites that applicants must have completed or be in the process of completing. For example, under the Faculty of Business and IT, for our commerce programs, we're looking for mathematics and English. Information technology programs require English and either computer science or mathematics. For programs under the Faculty of Engineering and Applied Science, we're looking for English, mathematics, physics, and chemistry. For programs under the Faculty of Energy Systems and Nuclear Science, we're looking for mathematics, English, chemistry, and physics. For programs under the Faculty of Science, we will be looking for English, mathematics, and 2 of biology, chemistry, or physics. The requirements for computer science are a little bit different. We're looking for mathematics, English, and either computer science or physics. For programs under the Faculty of Health Sciences, we're looking for mathematics, English, and biology, but chemistry is recommended. The requirements for our Bachelor of Science in Nursing program are mathematics, English, biology, and chemistry. And finally, for programs under the Faculty of Social Science and Humanities, the prerequisite is English. Unless you are applying to the Bachelor of Science in Psychology, that program requires mathematics, English, and 2 of biology, chemistry, or physics. The minimum grades required for each program can be found on the program pages on our website. In addition to the general admission requirements, there are a number of country-specific requirements that we will consider while looking at your application. For example, applicants from China must submit their Huikao or similar provincial examination results. We will require that you submit both your academic transcript, that includes all subjects taken with the grades achieved, as well as a copy of your graduation certificate and results. For applicants from Pakistan, we're looking for your higher secondary school certificate or your intermediate school certificate. For applicants from Nigeria, we're looking at your West African Senior School Certificate and your WAEC results. For applicants from India, we will be looking for your Senior Secondary Certificate and your final results from your Class or Standard 12 examinations. And for applicants from Turkey, we will be looking for your high school diploma. It would be impossible to go through the admission requirements for each country in this short video, so if I didn't mention your country, you can find a list of the admission requirements on our International Admissions Requirement page. You will be submitting your application through the Ontario University's Application Centre website. Their website is www.ouac.on.ca, and you will be using the 105F application. I hope you found the information in this video to be helpful, but if you have any additional questions, please contact us at futureinternational@ontariotechu.ca.